Welcome back, Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Today's news is about Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli and a partnership with Ogyre to promote an ecological project with aims to take off and to gather from the sea the largest amount of plastic. And so this is a very challenging initiative, and their focus is to reach 15 thousand kilos in 2024. From this waste also they produce amazing piece of art, and also they contribute to exchange and to share researches data with the university worldwide. So it's not only Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli, organization that provides competition project, but also they try to support the environment, and this is absolutely fantastic. I suggest you should take a look on the Ogyre site in order to also see which kind of different initiatives they are promoting to engage you in the cleaning of the ocean. That's amazing. Now it's time also to review a little bit on the history of Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli, that the project has been realized after Patrizio Bertelli has met a German yacht designer, and they present the first scratches of the opportunity, and in a few years time now we can say that Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli is absolutely the first ever Italian boat that had such an incredible results in participating in the America's Cup. We have to wait a little bit until 2024 for the upcoming competition in Barcelona, and so we keep on supporting Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli, and for us Italians is also a way to support a made in Italy, a vision and a spirit. So I think it's time now to remind you the initiatives that is of course to clean the oceans and to reach a total of 16 kilos collected by 2024, and also to engage and to seduce a lot of people from all around the world to participate in different initiatives, also with the fishers and in the beaches to collect the plastic. So keep on staying tuned. I leave you with the fantastic images of the emotional trailer they send me, and it's all about swimming in a polluted water. And let's keep in touch, and see you soon again.
The ocean, in all its different shapes and forms. It's the mother of all life, relentless and wild, yet quiet, calming and nourishing, a purifier of thoughts. But without the ocean, there is no us. So let's work together, because together we can make waves.